To switch from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce, start by understanding the basics of both platforms. Universal Analytics is the traditional version of Google Analytics, while Enhanced E-commerce is a more advanced version that provides detailed insights into online shopping behavior. First, ensure you have a Google Analytics account and have installed the tracking code on your website. Next, navigate to the admin section and select the property you want to upgrade. Click on E-commerce settings and select the Enable E-commerce checkbox. Then, click on Enable Enhanced E-commerce reporting. In the next step, set up your e-commerce data layers. This involves creating a data layer on your website that captures e-commerce data such as product details, transaction information, and user behavior. You can use Google Tag Manager to create and manage your data layers. Now, configure your e-commerce tracking code. This involves adding the enhanced e-commerce tracking code to your website, which will allow you to capture detailed e-commerce data. You can use the Google Analytics debug version to test your tracking code and ensure it is working correctly. Once you have set up your e-commerce tracking, you can start to analyze your data. Navigate to the Conversions section of your Google Analytics account and select E-commerce. Here, you can view detailed reports on your e-commerce data, including product performance, transaction information, and user behavior. Best practices for switching to enhanced e-commerce include ensuring accurate data layers, testing your tracking code, and regularly monitoring your e-commerce reports. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully switch from Universal Analytics to Google Analytics Enhanced E-commerce and gain valuable insights into your online shopping behavior.